Welcome back to my channel. Hello, Cinderellas. Today we have a very, very special guest, and that is Ishika. And Ishika is my daughter. She's 13 years old and she has her own YouTube channel too. It's Life with Ishika, so if you're not following her, make sure you do. So today I asked Ishika to come and help me review a bunch of perfumes I recently got in the mail from Macy Style Crew, and I want her to review them with me, and we're gonna pick like our top 5 perfume fragrances for your wedding day. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Are you excited to be here?
Yeah.
Want to say any words to our viewers?
No.
Ishika has lots of personality, as you'll see. So Ishika, we will let you pick the first fragrance that we're going to be reviewing today.
So the first perfume that we're doing is Coach Dreams. So bad at opening boxes.
You know, I like the box. It's like glittery and it's pink. I love that. Do you like that too?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Oh, this is such a cute bottle. Oh my god, look at this. This is a really pretty cap. Oh wait, that's actually not a cap. That's where you spray the perfume out of. Okay, so that's not a cap.
That's interesting. You can see the bottle is really nice. I love the fact that it has like a little flower as like the actual spray pump. And it's very elegant. It has a ribbon around it. It's just very, very feminine. Actually, this is a very much a wedding day fragrance. Oh my god, it smells so good. I smell flowers. I smell like peony flowers. Peonies. What do you smell? It's very, very florally. So if you like a very florally...
It's a powdery smell.
You smell powder? Let me see.
You do too.
Oh, yeah. Here.
I smell a little bit of like a powder scent.
Yeah.
This is like a spring scent.
It is.
So
I
like
agree.
if you're having your wedding in like the spring or at a time like that, this would be a good one.
I agree. Totally agree. So Coach Dreams is definitely an awesome scent for the springtime. Spring weddings. It's very, very pretty, very elegant. It looks beautiful probably on a counter or a dresser somewhere. So Coach Dreams, there you go. There you guys have it.
So Coach Dreams.
Oh, I love it. Ooh, so
Smells
nice.
so good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to smell coffee bee for the perfume to go away, like the scent.
Because when you go to any department store, they have coffee beans there, and what it does is it neutralizes like your scents in your body, so you can actually smell other fragrances. Okay, I'm ready. Ooh, we weren't supposed to say that because that's going to be a big surprise, guys. All right, so next box, we're going to be opening up the Jimmy Choo. You can see that right here. I love like the box actually. It's like a snakeskin pattern, a pink snakeskin, so it's very, very feminine, very, very girly, which is super cute. Let's go ahead and open it. I love unboxings. Ooh, ta-da, ta-da. Look at this.
I have a feeling just by looking at the bottle, it looks like it might be a winter scent.
Really? Let's go ahead and give it a shot. There we go. One thing I'll tell you is that different fragrances smell differently on different people, but just spraying this.
It definitely smells like a winter scent, like snow. When I smell this, I think of snow.
I think you're absolutely right. It's a winter scent. It's totally a winter scent. So we're heading into winter, girls, and if you're a winter bride, snow is falling. Just imagine the snow is falling and there's no sign of COVID. This is definitely a winter scent. This is the scent for you. So Jimmy Choo.
The next scent is another Coach one. So this one is, I can already tell by the box, it's probably gonna be a spring one. They have flowers on the box. It's probably gonna be a spring scent.
Oh my god, the bottle is so cute.
This is such a cute bottle.
I love the little flower hanging at the end of it too. That's totally the flower of Hawaii.
This scent actually does not remind me of anything spring or summer.
Oh my god, it's very like everyday.
This is definitely an everyday scent.
I am a fan. For me, like an everyday scent is the best. I love like scents that are very light, very natural, very like everyday, very casual. Like you can wear it with anything. What about you?
I like this scent.
And it's not like too heavy and floral, right?
Yeah. I mean, I like more heavy scents. I don't know. I love scents. I'm obsessed with scents. Like, if someone smells good, I'll immediately point it out to them. I'll be like, oh my god, you smell so good. What is the perfume you're wearing? So I would wear this, but I wouldn't. This is very casual scent.
Next scent is Juicy Couture. And I know some of you ladies wear this, so if you do wear this, please comment in the comment section below and let me know. But it's called Viva la Juicy Le Bubbly. And you know I love my bubbly. I really do love my bubbly. Champagne taste and champagne everything else. Woo! Oh my god, this bottle is so cute. This is the cutest. I love it. She doesn't like pink, but I love this bottle. I love it. I love this bottle. I love the detail on this bottle. This is like so wedding day gorgeous. I think it's just very glam. You can think about like it sitting on like a dresser or something along with your glam shoes and your jewelry and everything. It's just such a pretty bottle. And this cap, oh my god, look at this cap, guys. This cap, it comes off and it's like super adorable. Look at this cap. It goes off, on and off. Oh my god, I can't wait to smell this. I'm going to spray it on.
I don't like the color pink, but I really like how the bubbles are at the bottom, right? I think that's really cute because it does fit the name.
Smell the scent. It smells so good. Oh my god, I really love this scent, guys. If you're looking for a really fun bottle, something that's gonna look really pretty on your dresser, and it's gonna smell really good, Juicy Couture all the way. I love it. If you want like a fragrance that's gonna be like something that you're gonna wear every day, remind you of every day, there's a very like hint of floral. I smell like cherry in there. Do you smell cherry?
Yeah, a little bit.
Like a cherry blossom. It is floral, you guys, but it's really light, so it doesn't feel like it's too heavy at all.
Yeah, so this would most definitely be an everyday scent.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be good for a wedding, but like it would, depending on how you like your scents. If you're a heavy scent person, like
you,
I guess, like me.
and if you're a light scent person like me, you probably are like, I want this scent.
Yeah. So it depends on really who you are, because this would be like an everyday scent for me.
Okay.
So the next scent is Versace Bright Crystal.
And never has she been so excited about opening a bottle of perfume because it says Versace. Guys, every single scent so far we've tried is like so pretty and like pink and like so pretty.
The bottles are really pretty and cute. I love this.
Oh my god, I love that.
This is really cute. Oh my god, let me smell.
Okay. I know I'm gonna like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on my skin. So just one thing to note, guys, when you're trying on perfumes, you really want to try it on the skin. Oh, this smells so... Oh, you smell like fresh cut lawn with like flowers.
The smell is like a very clean smell.
It's a very clean smell. I agree. Oh my god, that smells so good.
That smells so good.
That smells... I love that one. It's really hard to pick. Oh my god, I love it. And that would be a perfect wedding day scent because it's not too heavy. It doesn't feel like too much. You can spray it on anytime you're mad at your husband after you get married. You can just spray it on and be reminded of your wedding day and the love you felt on that day. And then you won't be as mad at him anymore. Yes. Brides, pro tip right here. Wear the perfume on your wedding day that you're gonna wear every day so that when you're mad at your hubby, you can be reminded to love him again when you spray on your perfume. Pro tip. That's like the pro tip of the entire video, okay? And she's embarrassed. I need to smell some coffee too, because it's a lot.